Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to recover or restore previous session tabs in Firefox after the web browser is closed out or perhaps accidentally crashes. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the application menu icon up at the top right corner. Just go ahead and left click on that and go down and select settings. On the right side underneath General and then underneath Startup, where it says Open Previous Windows and Tabs, you want to check mark that. So now if you were to proceed to close out of Firefox and then reopen it, it should launch the previously opened tabs. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.